Welcome to GTI and Setco once again for a demonstration video of both ViPro 10 and we're going to be testing iBump test. What this elaborate setup that we have here is all about is we have a machine structure, a small drive motor, a tachometer so we know exactly what speed we're running, and we're going to show what resonance is all about, hitting a natural frequency. So what I've done is I've bump tested with the 220 using this hammer. I'm setting up a bump test that Derek is going to shine on the screen sharing there to show you and prove to you that we have a clear peak. We'll get that peak up again. Right there at 4,700 and what? 64. So that proves to us that that is our natural frequency with the motor on the end of it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on this motor, and it is already set, as you can see on the tachometer, at, what does that say?
48,000.
So just north of where we were. So if, Derek, you can flip that screen to ViPro 10. Yep, there you are. You can see that sinusoidal wave, and we're in the red. And it really shows a large peak that we're exciting this whole apparatus. But watch as I increase the speed. So now I've increased that speed dramatically. The running speed peak is no longer even a large value. Both of our values here are in the green, but yet we're exciting more energy into it by actually going at a higher speed. As I come back into that resonance there again, what speed am I at now, Derek? 47, right at where we want to be. And look at that, we're at 0.38 inches per second at the running speed, showing this whole apparatus resonating. So what we're trying to learn here is that on a structure, when we're building equipment and building machines with rotating assets on them, we have to know this natural frequency before we start bolting on, well, after we bolt on motors, pumps, fans, all kinds of other rotating equipment, because this is what can happen. This machine would never be able to grind parts right. It wouldn't be able to drill a straight hole. It wouldn't have any surface finish at all with a spindle or a motor or any of its supporting equipment running at 47,680 or 4,800 respectively. Please reach out to us and like and subscribe. Reach out to us at www.gtispindle.com or www.setco.com. Thank you.